Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a pack with me video. I'm going away for 3 days and I just wanted to show you guys how I pack, how I organize, what I use to go away and stuff like that, and the things that I bring. Disclaimer, I am an overpacker. It's a thing. I overpack for everything. I pack for every situation under the sun. So if you look at the end result and say, wow, she packed a lot. Yeah, that's normal. That's what I do. So let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I like to do is lay out all of the clothing that I'm going to be bringing. So I have my outfit for the main day that I'm there, an outfit for travel, and just a comfy outfit for whatever we get up to over the weekend. I also made sure to pack a comfy shirt and some comfy shorts for my pajamas. Then I bring out my big duffel bag and start packing. So I always start with my shoes first and then I move on to packing my clothing. So one tip that I've learned from many people is to roll your pants and even your shirts. Roll everything because it just fits so much easier into the bag. And this dress is something I'm going to be wearing to a formal event, so I wanted to protect that from any wrinkles, any stains, any spills. So I'm putting that inside my denim jacket. Next, for accessories, I'm packing a second purse for something easier to carry around rather than my big bag. I'm only bringing a few jewelry pieces, a loci bracelet, and 2 Alex Donnies, and I like to keep those in old jewelry boxes to keep them safe. Moving on to beauty and toiletries, I find that packing a lot of small bags is easier than bringing a big toiletry bag. So I just have a few separate ones, one for makeup wipes, a hairbrush, my moisturizers and my face creams, one for makeup, and my hair curler, and all that stuff. So I'm trying not to bring too much, but I found that these little bags from TJ Maxx fit everything, and there's just so many compartments. And this little tip I learned, get those little Jello shot cups, I'm serious, and put your pills in there because it works wonders and it fits and they're disposable. I also wear glasses and I have to bring a weekend supply of contacts, so that's in there too. My hair curler just fits right in the front of my duffel bag, which is perfect, and this is my bag for my everyday makeup. Moving on to my purse. The first thing I'd like to do is get anything out of there that I don't need for the weekend. So my passion planner, I already planned for the week, I don't need to bring it. All of my pens, highlighters, and pencils that I won't need. Coupons, random papers, I don't need any of that. So now my bag is light and easy to carry, and that should be pretty good for my weekend stay. So that's it for my pack with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first pack with me video and I really enjoyed making it. I love to pack and I usually pack like 3 or 4 days before my actual trip, but this time I'm leaving tomorrow, which is actually today when I upload this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!